Hi everyone. First of all, I want to say thank you to Bangkit for providing us with the platform and support to create our capstone project Sinora. This opportunity has been very helpful in turning our idea and vision into a tangible product. Now let me introduce myself. My name is Ferdinand Andika Widian and I'm the mobile development lead for Sinora. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Sinora, a groundbreaking application designed to bridge a communication gap and build a community for individuals with hearing loss. Next, let me introduce you to the Sinora team. First, my mobile development partner, Muhammad Adi Kurnianto. And second, our cloud computing team consisting of Muhammad Ikram and Fikri Natadiwirya. Last but not least, our machine learning team consisting of Sierra Mustika, Damar Bayu Krishna, and Mujilatul Kayema. Our presentation today will cover 7 main topics. The first is background problem, reason, existing result, implementation, result, documentation, and last, local deployment plan and go-to-market proposal. First, let's discuss the background problem. According to the National Statistical Agency, in 2019, there were approximately 1,820,000 individuals with deafness and speech impairment in Indonesia, and this number continues to increase. Next, additionally, there is an inclusive communication need. People with hearing and speech impairment often face difficulty communicating with those who do not understand sign language. Many individuals with this impairment lack adequate access to education and essential service due to the communication barrier. Sinora aims to address this challenge by providing a platform that enhances communication and accessibility for individuals with hearing and speech impairment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ikram Abdullah Hafif and I will continue to explain about Sinora. So there's 5 ways we make this app. First, people with hearing impairments often feel isolated. They face difficulties communicating with people who do not understand sign language. There is a lack of adequate access to tools that facilitate the communication. Fourth is, existing technology for sign language translation is not widely available for user-friendly. And the fifth is, there has been lack of attention and investment in this specific area of technology. The key problems for this is 3. First, how can technology be utilized to facilitate communication between individuals with hearing impairments and the general public? Second, what are the key features and essential design elements for an effective sign language translator application? And third, how can the app be designed to be user-friendly, accessible to individuals with varying levels of technological proficiency? The root cause mainly is because the communication barriers of our individual with hearing impairment is the lack of community support and investment in developing and in distributing accessible user-friendly real-time sign language translation technologies. So, the key solving here there's 3. First, creating a sign language to text translator technology. Second, translator feature with taking photos of sign gestures to be translated. And third is a chat room and exercise provided can facilitate our ease of use. That's all from me. Thank you.
3. Existing result. Sinora is the most comprehensive sign language learning app among its competitors, offering all 4 key features: camera, visuals, glossary, quiz, and chat room, making it superior choice for users seeking a complete learning experience. 4. Implement. Translate your gesture by taking a picture. Sinora allows you to translate your gesture by simply taking a picture. Use the camera or gallery feature to capture your gesture and get instant translation. Knowledge quiz. Learn sign language easily with Sinora comprehensive glossary. Learn from the glossary. Test your knowledge with Sinora's interactive quizzes, featuring their difficulty level easy, medium, and hard. Discuss in chatroom. Engage in discussion with others using Sinora chatroom feature.
Hi everyone, my name is Damar Bayu Krishna and I'm from machine learning team at Sinora. And I want to present about the results on app Sinora, starting with slide onboarding page. We have the splash screen and onboarding page. These pages are designed to welcome users and guide them through the initial setup of the application, ensuring they understand the app features and functionalities. Moving on to slide authentication. We focus on authentication. Here we have implement feature for user registration, login, and password recovery. This ensures secure access and user management within the apps. In slide tutorial page, we cover the tutorial section. This includes the home screen, user profile, and training modules, providing user with comprehensive guide on how to use the app efficiently. And then continue with the tutorial section introducing the glossary, chat room, and sign detecting feature. The glossary helps users sign language terminology, the chat from facilitates community interaction, and the sign detection features allow users to practice and receive feedback on their sign language gesture. On slide homepage, we showcase the homepage and profile management. And on user profile, user can change their profile photo, username, and password, allowing them to personalize their experience. Lastly, our apps include quizzes and sign language gesture results, providing users with a way to test their knowledge and track their progress in learning sign language. Thank you.
Alright, my name is Fikri and I'm going to talk about the documentation for our Signora app. As you can see in the image, this is our architecture design. We are using the Google Cloud Platform and Firebase for our backend, and for the machine learning, we are using the TensorFlow model. And for the Google Cloud Platform itself, we are using the Cloud Build to help us automate every changes in the repository of our backend. Then it helps us to build the API using the Cloud Run. For the Firebase itself, we are using that for the Firebase authentication, the database, and storing static content like the icon or anything like that. For further documentation, you can see in the github.com/Signora app, you can see our mobile development, cloud computing, machine learning documentation furthermore in there.
We will explain local deployment plan and go-to-market proposal. What is Signora? Signora is a groundbreaking sign language translator app designed to enhance communication between the hearing impaired and the general public. It addresses the challenge faced by the deaf community in effectively communicating with non-signers. Signora's real-time translation feature converts sign language gesture into text, promoting inclusivity and accessibility. What's our purpose? Signora is designed to improve interaction between the hearing impaired and the general public. The app tackles the difficulties the deaf community face in effectively communicating with non-signers. Signora offers a feature that translates sign language gesture into text and vice versa in real time. By facilitating better communication, Signora fosters inclusivity for the deaf community. The app ensures that communication is more accessible for everyone, regardless of hearing ability. Our project milestone: application deployment beta version to Google Play Store, collaboration and partnership, Signora features, user experience, and launch. Needed research, tools, Colab Pro, Firebase, GCP Cloud Storage, marketing by social media and by ads, human research, project manager, UI UX designer, developer, marketing team, business consult, and quality assurance.
Next is market size and market share, where in Indonesia, people with the deaf and speech impaired are 1,820,000 civilians, and our target market is around 30% of the market size, which means 546,000 civilians. Next is our budget plan, which include infrastructure of 49,200,000 rupiah, team salary of 21,320,000, research and product development of 16,200,000 rupiah, and marketing of 13,280,000 rupiah, with a total budget plan of 100 million rupiah. That's all the presentation from our team. Thank you.